you. Sick of all the same dudes running up. Follow you around, hope you fall in love. But they don't see you like I do, yeah. All your friends, they see it too. That I'm the one who looks you in the eye. Speaking like I mean it, what's inside.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for clicking on today's video. We are going to be doing some serious cleaning in today's video, and we are going to start with my office. I haven't been using the Cricut station consistently, so I am deciding to go ahead and just take down the table and store the Cricut machines away until I use it. So we're going to go ahead and just start with that and jump on in.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free.
Comment down below and let me know how you're doing. If you have any fun fall or Halloween plans coming up, or if you've done anything fun, I would love to hear about it.
Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountaintop.
So this is probably the most time-consuming part, is just going through all of the mail and just Ava's old homework or school assignments and just different things like that. I need to decide what I needed to shred, like personal information on mail. I wanted to get that shredded, and then other stuff that I am going to keep and file away. So that's probably the most time-consuming, because you have to like look at every piece of paper, make sure you don't throw away anything important.
For the stunning high mountaintops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found
So next I'm going to go ahead and pull out the Cricut machines, unplug them, dust them off, wipe them down, and store them upstairs in my husband's office. He has a lot of closet space up there, so I just store them there. I also go ahead and put the cords in a Ziploc bag, so I don't have any missing cords later on when I want to use one of the machines. So now I'm just going ahead and taking apart this IKEA table. Since we don't need it, I'm just going to store it in the garage. I do want to mention that I had got a VI chemical peel, so I was in the thick of it. My skin was peeling so much. I'm learning how to do the VI peel, so one was done on me, and then I'll do one on the model, and I wanted to experience it myself before I perform VI peels on other people. And let me tell you, it's days of peeling. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but my face was definitely peeling. So FYI, just so you guys know, just in case you see it, that's what that is. So what I'm doing here is just putting the screws in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm taping that bag onto the back of the table so I don't lose those screws.
I'll stay, tickling your bored out soul, and we'll play pretend if it'll get you warm. I know we could be a splash of pain.
So here's the before, just so you guys can remember how cluttered it looked. And it was like a catch-all junk space for the longest time. And now it looks so good. It's very clean and simple and minimal, just the way I like things. So I feel a lot better. I wish I did this sooner. Let me know if you have a space like that in your house. I'm just happy I actually took the time and accomplished this. It feels so much better. I know if you are dreading tackling a space like this, that you're gonna be so happy when it is done. So this is day 2, and this was a really busy day for me. I spent a lot of hours at the car dealership. We were car shopping, and so I was really tired from that, but I knew I wanted to get this area cleaned. I wanted to mop the floors, clean the stainless steel, the microwave. We're doing all of that and kind of taking it into the evening by the time I'm done. So I did want to mention that I'm going to be doing a Q&A in one of my next few videos. So make sure if you have any questions for me that you leave those down below in the comments, and I will be answering those soon.
A special day could be, we could be special, could be, us could be, we could be a special day, could be special. I know we could be, I know we could be a special paint in a world that's otherwise so gray. Take me by my arm.
So as I was unloading the dishes and putting the silverware away, I wanted to take the opportunity and go ahead and declutter and organize our drawers here. The junk drawer on the side where I keep the measuring cups and like chopsticks and stuff. Sometimes we'll have like sauces and things that we threw in there. So I just kind of took some of that stuff out and got rid of it, and then just kind of reorganized the silverware drawer.
One thing I know for sure, what we have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong, but I like it like that. Now I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. Every crossing borders, no taking orders, and I like it like that. Even I'm broken, watch it right 2 times a day. I took a chance and I was right in every way. For lack of anything better for me to say, hey, I like you like that, yeah, I like you like that.
So I really enjoyed last week's question that I had for you guys about the advice that you give your children. I think that it really helps all of us because we can learn from each other and teach our kids something that maybe we didn't think of. And it was just fun reading those from you guys. I really, really appreciate it. I'm still getting back to some of those comments, but I just wanted to let you know that I appreciate all of you guys that participated in that. Now I wanted to ask, what's a piece of advice that you would give your younger self? So I would tell my younger self not to be afraid, have faith, and just know that there is going to be light at the end of the tunnel. I went through a lot of hardships and tough times for a long time, and I just didn't really have a lot of faith for what my future would look like. I dreamed of a future like this, having a family, feeling secure, feeling safe, and all of those things. And so I wish I could whisper in my younger self's ear and say that you will have that normal, healthy, happy life that you dream to have.
No
what I'm using on my stainless steel is the stainless steel e-cloth. I've been using those for years. I think they do a great job, and they're just easy to use because you can just add water to them, wring them out, and then you use that extra cloth they provide to kind of buff the stainless steel. Now I'm going in with the Scrub Daddy paste. I like to use this in my sink and make it all clean and shiny and all that good stuff.
I know I messed up. Yeah, I know I did you wrong. But I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect, but at least give me a try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance, yeah baby, try, just one more night, then make up your mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. We used to be strong, love. Don't forget where you're coming from. A heart like that, don't give up that easily. I wanna see you be mad, yeah, get mad at me. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance, yeah baby, try, just one more night, then make up your mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it.
So I am going in with my steam mop. I like to give the floors a good deep clean. Every time I use this, I do throw the mop pad or mop head into the wash so it's clean for the next time that I use it. If you're looking for a good steam mop, I always link this down in my description box along with the other cleaning products and tools and things that I use regularly.
I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance, yeah baby, try, just one more night, then make up your mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. Try, try. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. Another night, I fall in your sight. Your new eyes cut sharp like a knife. Take a moment and look all around you. I don't want you caught off guard or alone when I come for you. I need you to know that I would never walk away. I know what you need, I would bleed for you.
So that is all I have for you today. I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of this video. Don't forget to leave me some questions down below. Also, don't forget to answer the question of the day. I would love to hear what you would tell your younger self. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good week. Bye, guys.